Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about the best five money making apps that you can start using right away in this year 2024. And most of them, they are all over the world. Yes, most of them you can access them. It doesn't matter if you are in Africa, Uganda, Nigeria, any place you are, Pakistan, you can access these apps. Yes, and start making money right away. You can play games, do surveys, and some of them are passive. You just have to share your internet and you get paid. My name is Gloria, and welcome to this YouTube channel. On this channel, I share different ways on how to make money online. And if that's what you are looking for, welcome to our family. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment which country you are watching from. It will help me to research and do videos that can really help you. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Up on the list, yes, I decided to start with the first one instead of starting with the last one. So first things first. So this is the first app on the list and it's called Free Cash. Yes, Free Cash. I've also done a dedicated video on my channel about Free Cash. You can go and check about it in details, everything. Yes, but this is a best and a good money working app that you can try out in this year 2024, because as you can see, there are so many offers that you can do on this app. These are all games that you can play. You can also do surveys. It depends on you which one you want. As you can see, this game is up to $300. So it depends on which one you want, and you can either use your computer, your phone if you are using an iPhone, or Android if you are using your Android phone. So it depends on you. You can sign up right away and start earning instantly. They have rewards. They pay you rewards daily. If you reach, like, if you make up to $1 a day, they can reward you more cents for making that, like encouraging the people who are working on their website. You can also do affiliate marketing, market this website. This, I'm just showing you different ways that you can earn from using this website. And if that's what you want to do, I'm leaving a link to the description below about this Free Cash app. You can join right away and start earning. Yes. Then another app that I'm falling in love with this year 2024 is called the Pawns app. I'm using this app also. And on this app, you can do paid surveys, share your internet, as they say here. One app, many ways to earn. Share your opinion in daily surveys. They have surveys, they included that feature also. Complete daily quest, reap great rewards. On daily quest, it's a spin that you roll daily and you get money or points or a ticket to enter their lottery every day. Yes, and they tell you sell your unused bandit with for 10% passive income, or you can invite a friend and multiply your profits. As I am inviting you, you can use the link in my description below to join this Pawns app and start earning right away. As I told you, I've done a video in detail about this Pawns app. You can go check it out and know everything that's inside. Yes. Then another app that I'm going to talk about is called the YSense app. Yes, I'm using this app and I've recently cashed out of this app. Yes, and this is license for you. You can do surveys, do offers, also be an affiliate marketer for their website. As they tell you here, earn extra cash online. License is a global online community with multiple earning opinions. Join now and start earning with paid surveys, cash offers, and more. Yes, so this is license for you. They have good service which can pay even sometimes up to $2. So if you want to join Ysense, I'm also leaving a link to that in the description below. Then another app that I also really like is called Grab Points. And here you don't have like to reach $5 to cash out or how much to cash out. It's just $1 and you get paid your money via PayPal. You can earn by watching, by playing games. Yes, you can earn by playing games, completing surveys, watching adverts. So signing up is not that difficult. You can use your email address, a password, and join, or your Facebook account or your Google account. You can, as you can see here, they are showing you the earn free cash and gift cards by taking surveys, completing offers, signing up on apps. Yes, so if you want to join this grab site website, I'm leaving a link in the description below. Then another app that I'm going to talk about is paid work, and I've also done a dedicated video about paid work on my channel. You can go check it out in details. You can join paid work using your email address and a password. Yes, you sign in and you start earning already. Paid work is not a difficult app to use. As I told you, I've already, these are, they are showing you all the countries that you can use this app: United States, all. As you can see, if they have the language here, then that means you can use this app in in that country. Yes, so this is how it really works. I'm going to show you. Then you go ahead, use the link in my description below and start using. This is free cash app. They tell you, discover how easy it is to use paid work, getting started to getting paid in just three simple ways. Yes, it's not hard to start. You just get paid in three simple ways. You select a way you are going to get paid. Yes, select a payment method and you start earning which way you want to earn from. You can do surveys, play games, watch videos, or do online shopping. And they also added tasks on this app. So if you want to join, this is a good website that you can start using in this year 2024. And the good thing about it, if you are in a country where there is no PayPal, you can get paid your money via a bank account. So guys, this is what I had for you. Don't forget to like, comment where you are watching from, and don't forget to subscribe to this video. Give it a thumbs up, yes, if it really works for you. And don't forget to use the links in the description below so that you can join. When you use my links, you get a bonus. Yes, you will start with some money. They will give you money. Yes, thank you for watching.